Have you ever asked yourself if it's possible to learn English completely on your own? A lot of learners believe they need a teacher. They need a teacher for everything like grammar, vocabulary, writing, pronunciation, speaking. But the truth is, self control can actually take you very far if you do it the right way. And in my opinion, learning English independently is absolutely possible. In fact, many people improve faster when they take control of their own learning. You can choose your own schedule, your own methods, and focus on the areas you personally need the most. But just there is just one challenge that almost every independent learner faces, which is consistency. When nobody is forcing you to study, it becomes very easy to procrastinate. You start skipping days, then weeks, and suddenly you lose motivation completely. That's why discipline is more important than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline is what keeps you improving. One thing that helped me a lot is creating a daily routine, even if it is just 30 minutes a day. Choose a fixed time and respect it. Put it in your calendar like an important appointment. The more consistent you are, the faster your English will improve. Now, the question is, what should you actually do when studying alone? First, read as much as possible. Reading helps you discover vocabulary naturally and teaches you how sentences are really used. Whenever you find a new word or expression, write it down in a notebook or on your phone. Don't just memorize words. Try to understand how they are used in context. Second, watch content in English every day. YouTube videos, interviews, podcasts, movies, or even short clips can help you improve your listening skills and pronunciation. Try using subtitles at first, if necessary, but slowly challenge yourself to understand more without them. Another powerful method is speaking to yourself. Yes, I know it sounds strange, but it works. Imagine like real life situations in your head. Pretend you are introducing yourself, ordering food, answering interview questions, or having a casual conversation with a friend. This trains your brain to think directly in English instead of translating from your native language. You can even use AI tools like ChatGPT to practice pronunciation, to practice conversation. Technology today gives us incredible opportunities to practice English anytime we want. It's not exactly the same as talking to a real person, but it is still a very useful way to build confidence. However, there is one thing self study alone usually cannot fully develop: real conversation confidence. Many students understand English perfectly when reading or listening, but they freeze when they try to speak with actual people. Why? Because real communication requires practice and experience. That's why I believe the best approach is a combination of both worlds: self study and real interaction. Learn grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation on your own, but also try to speak with real people. Try to speak with real people whenever you get the chance, like a teacher, a language partner, friends, or online conversations can help you become more confident and natural. At the end of the day, there is no perfect method that works for everyone. Some people learn better alone, others learn better in groups. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect, it is about communicating confidently and improving little by little every single day. I am Muhammad Al Harti, and this is English with Harti. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me, do you prefer learning English alone or with a teacher? Good luck. Thank you for watching.